Good evening. I am George Y. I wanted to welcome all of you for attending and allowing me the privilege to be here. It wasn't long ago when I was first introduced to ION in 2006 and saw the impressive demonstration of its concept. As I learned of its positive distinction in a delivery solution, and more important, the ultimate outcome of a civilized way to bring down a perpetrator, I saw its merits compared to Taser. I've always wanted to know why ION could deliver a far different solution compared to Taser. I had my theories, but I needed to know the actual engineering facts. Catherine Coffer contacted me through Tiffany Wade asking to help. I pondered and thought about it since there are some obstacles that needed to be cleared. I happened to be working with several high-level technical people at Illuminati on a NYSERDA grant in Rochester, New York. I knew these guys had extensive experience with high-power electrical and bioengineering. I spoke to them about the ION project and was amazed by the details that were naturally flowing out of them. Their knowledge appeared to be a perfect match to ION Engineering's requirements. As I looked into ION's business details, I realized the barriers, and we needed to revise the plan to move this possibility forward. We can't do this unless all of us are committed. So I will officially start my legal presentation. Today I have a short presentation, just a couple of slides to talk about our plan to get the repressor concept to market. ION should use the services of a CPA firm and legal counsel to understand the current investor's position and what I'm about to suggest based on our legal counsel, a path that will help indemnify the new entity. Once this is done and a release document is signed by the original investors indemnifying the new company entity, we can proceed with the transfer of the patents, proof of concept device, and any relevant data documentation. In consideration for this information transfer, the new company will set aside a percentage of the new company entity to the ION investors. This will be explained further as we go through the presentation. The plan is to answer to, how do I bring this product solution to market? We form a new company based on lean launchpad methods for startups that succeed. Find the real pain for the first early adopter customers through customer discovery interviews which define the product. Optimize the design to solve as many real issues as possible considering time to market, costing, and pricing. We build a manufacturing engineering team to bring the product to market in the shortest amount of time via direct hires, contractors, consultants, and vendors. In parallel, develop a complete go-to-market strategy, building customer list, strategic partners, sales channels, so when the product is ready and certified, sales can be realized. Now, we haven't been sitting around on our end and decided to take some proactive steps to express our thoughts with the following new entity that we all can become part of. So let me present to you the new entity as we see it. Wave Ionics. A company name has been selected which incorporates the ION legacy within the new name. Wave signifies the wattage, amperage, and voltage combination that controls the secret sauce we feel are the solutions to produce the delivery outcome we know. The X is the target we can assure without a doubt our product can instantly incapacitate without question. Who will be able to lead to accomplish this? We have 3 experienced executives in bringing product to market. Now, why trust this team? We all have experience in the world of entrepreneurial startups. Myself as a co-founder of FiberStars and a publicly traded company, Dave founded 2 companies, and Mark has been involved with 3 startups. Our collective experience is in product design, manufacturing, and test, with 2 specific areas of expertise which should be highly prized by this project. That would be the high voltage design and electrophysiology bioengineering. Phase 0 is the foundation of plan to getting to a functional prototype. The Lean Launchpad motto is, "The best business plan in the world explodes upon first customer contact." Therefore, we must do customer discovery first to find out what their pain points are, and if we talk with enough customers, they basically define the product for us. If we design first, we will be redesigning again and again, never moving forward. Built on this foundation of researching the market, the competitors and customer discovery, we can get to the business of developing a functional prototype. This is a prototype that addresses as many of the pain points that our customer interviews brought out. From this point, a pre-production prototype can be designed that will be a form, fit, and function as a device. The component cost of this prototype most likely will be initially expensive, but will lead to the next step, which is a production prototype. The production prototype are based on volume production estimates and directly relate to the cost of toolings to produce components that are cost-effective for the targeted manufacturing cost. Here is an estimate of a 1-year timeline to having a saleable product. This is an aggressive but attainable schedule since many of the later phase tasks can be paralleled. The 3 most important phases are 0 through 2, and by tracking milestones in each, we will produce the cleanest path for a production design and launch of manufacturing. We have detailed the manpower loading and cost for phase 0 and 1, but cannot at this time do the same for phases 2 through 4, since we do not have enough information formulated from phase 0 through 1 to know what we're going to build at the moment. Since you asked our advice, we suggested making corrections to the valuation and getting a release document signed by ION's investors generated by your attorney that indemnifies the new company, Wave Ionics, before transferring IP, proof of concept devices, or data. This may also require the use of a CPA firm. A little more on the release document. Wave Ionics will be starting fresh to bring this product concept to market, and therefore requires indemnification of any issues stemming from previous dealings with ION Industries. In consideration of your investors signing this release, and the transfer of property, patents, proof of concept devices, documentation, and data at no cost, Wave Ionics will assign a percentage of the company to the ION investors. ION stocks will convert to the new Wave Ionics entity. When this plan is approved by Wave Ionics' attorney, we will be ready to accept new investments. To sum up, we believe this product concept solves a problem that currently is only served with marginal solutions. We will offer a solution that immobilizes the suspect, and nobody does that today. Our executive team has the right experience to bring this product to market, as well as the entrepreneurial know-how to properly launch a company from engineering development, production, through sales. The ultimate goal is to get to a saleable product. To recap the meeting, now that you understand what needs to take place, there are a few questions I would like to take a poll on. It is important to know that everyone understands and are in agreement with the legality of what we are doing and will give us an idea of your feelings on the matter. So please take the time to vote on this poll. At some point in the near future, expect to see an official document to vote on the matter from Kathy or Derek. This concludes the official meeting process, and I thank you all very much for your time and interest. I will now have 15 minutes for any questions taken from the chat room as you are finishing your polling questions. Thank you.